it's me. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I installed this hair almost a year ago now for our cruise vacation to Cozumel. By the way, the link is posted in the description box below, so check it out. What I did was I went ahead and I cut the frontal because it was missing hair. And I didn't want to walk around with a bald frontal. Yeah, not cute, right? So I just went ahead and cut it. I cut the lace because it was missing hair. And this is what happened. It turns out that my wig could not fit my head anymore. So I kept forcing it and forcing it for this wig to fit because I was like, you're gonna fit today, boo-boo. And I keep on pulling and pulling, and this wig cannot fit my head. So at this point, right, I was starting to get worried, and I was like, oh my God. So I started to pray and stuff, and I kept trying and trying and trying and hoping that this hair would fit my head. To see it just vanish like that, I was deeply hurt, you guys. I really was. You know, no luck. So I got upset and I tossed the wig in the trash. I was like, wait a second. Did I just throw my money away? I took that hair from that trash so fast and started to wash it, hoping and praying that I can bring it back to life. I shampooed the hair twice with Curly Sexy Hair shampoo. Next, I use Curly Sexy Hair Conditioner. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Guys, I was so happy to see all those curls in the hair. Oh my God, I was so delighted. I was like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This curly, sexy hair shampoo and conditioner are thebomb.com. For security, I installed 2 combs at the side and elastic band in the back. I apply a little bit of got-to-be glue at the side part so it can lay flat and look natural, I leave out few of my hair in the front so that my weave can look natural. I apply some gel at the side to lay down my edges. Then I went ahead and tied down with my tie head to keep the hair laying flat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Dariel Divine and on Twitter at Dariel Sinclair. Also, if you have any question or concern, please comments below. If you're going to try this technique, please comments below. Let me know how it turned out. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye you guys, and thanks for watching.